Okay. Wait. Let's do this away. Okay, what should we do? One pizzas. Oh. Peas. Chill face. I'm leaving. Skip is updated. I might just go to the corn maze. Corn maze, here I come. Does it go? Ew. Wobble. Okay, then find wobble music. Wobble music. How do you make it all the way over there? You can't shoot. You can't zoom out, and that's not fair. You have to go this way. No, that way, and tree. I think you have to go just. Oh my god, are you kidding me? This one sucks. He went inside my house. Who did? Who did? OMG. Oh my lord. I can't make it. I can't find it. Oh my god, imagine these scarecrows staring at you every time you walk. That would be so creepy. Just like this game. I hate this game. I have a Vogue. I don't want to wear it because I'm not going to show off. It's not like I'm cooking the hay. Because it's a corn maze. I'm not cooking the corn. What's the usual? What are they talking about? Oh, I'm on break now. Yay. Wow. This sucks. I'm not spending my whole time here just to win. Nothing. Win a pumpkin in a car. Driving a purple car. I don't know what you're talking about. I do have a purple car in a game. Okay, how do I get out? I'm just gonna reset. Reset. I died, and nobody cares about me. I'm a customer. Hey. I want this. Tell the cashier, YOLO. Pizza. Pizza, please. Pizza. Pizza. Ah, the cashier is YOLO. Try again. Soda. Please. Soda, please. Come on. Soda, please. Yes! Oh my god, it actually worked. It actually worked, dude. That's so sick. Okay. I didn't know that you can be a customer, a random customer. Hey, buddy. Just sitting here, waiting for my food to be done. Okay, where's my food? I'm getting impatient. Soda. That's me! I can't be up there again! Sorry, I had to cut through you. Sorry. Piglet pizza, please. Yay! I think he said pepperoni pizza. Good. Where's my pizza? I need my pizza. Where's my pizza? I need my pizza. Oh my god! Get done with my pizza already, man. Damn, Daniel. Where's my food? Where's my foods? Where's my foods? Where's my foods? Come on! I need some food up in here. How did I buy a gift? I'm gonna try to find a gift. Hey, get out of my table. I see you right there. Where's the only? I have VIP, I think. Oh, I don't know. How do you get gifts? Oh, hi, girl. What's up? I need some gifts. Where's these foods? Boah. Where's me foods, boah? Not Mr. Krabs. I'm Mr. Krabs' identical brother. I don't look like that. Come on! Stopping is swimming. Come on! Come on! Where's my pizza? Dude, this is actually cool. Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much. Too bad. I'm manager. Do it, I'm manager. Born. Pizza is a bonus. Born pizza is a bonus. It's a bonus. This is now replaying today. Everyone come to my office. Everyone come to me. Everyone come to me! I forgot I was recording. Yeah, wow, you want? I don't care. Do your jobs. Do your jobs right! You guys suck. Come on. I'm the manager. I don't get orders. You guys are doing a bad job. Do better work. Who's gonna deliver the pizzas? Somebody deliver the pizzas. Boy. Vote to ban. Vote to ban. Vote to ban. Danny. Danny will cause him a lot of trouble. He might get banned, but nobody knows. Guess he's not banned. That was a call.